A currency trader walks by the screens showing the Korea Composite Stock Price Index, KOSPI, left, and the foreign exchange rate between the U.S. dollar and South Korean won at the foreign exchange dealing room in Seoul, South Korea, Friday, Sept. 21, 2018. Asian stocks rose Friday after Wall Street hit a new high and a survey showed Japanese manufacturing accelerating. AP photo, Lee Jin-man, Beijing, AP. Global stocks rose Friday as a record high on Wall Street buoyed investor sentiment despite global trade tensions. Keeping score, in Europe, London's FTSE 100 index rose 0.9% to 7,433. Germany's Beijing, AP. Global stocks rose Friday as a record high on Wall Street buoyed investor sentiment despite global trade tensions. Keeping score, in Europe, London's FTSE 100 index rose 0.9% to 7,433. Germany's DAX gained 0.4% to 12,378 and France's CAC 40 advanced 0.7% to 5,487. On Wall Street, futures for the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Standard Asia's day, the Shanghai Composite Index rose 2.5% to 2,797.48 and Tokyo's Nikkei 225 advanced 0.8% to 23,869.93. Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 1.7% to 27,869.93 and Seoul's KOSPI was up 0.7% at 2,339.17. Sydney's S. Trade tensions, the Dow and S. and China. The latest U.S. tariff hike on Chinese goods in a dispute over Beijing's technology policy takes effect Monday, when Washington imposes an additional 10% tax on $200 billion of imports. The tariffs will rise to 25% on January 1. Beijing announced it would retaliate by imposing tariffs of 5 or 10% on $60 billion of U.S. including coffee, honey and industrial chemicals. Analysts take the resilience in the U.S. market is evident here and the breakout further renews the momentum, Jin Yipan of IG said in a report. Still, warning signs are abundant amid U.S.-Chinese trade tensions, Pan said. Cautiousness in the form of stop losses may be ever so important with the uncertainty in post-tariffs exchanges lingering into next week. Manufacturing, a preliminary version of Japan's monthly Purchasing Managers Index showed factory activity accelerated in September. The measure of new export orders rose to a 4-month high. A similar gauge of manufacturing in the Eurozone showed mixed signals, with services doing well but manufacturing weakening slightly amid the global trade worries. Energy, benchmark U.S. crude fell 35 cents to $70.77 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The contract lost 55 cents on Thursday to close at $70.32. Brent crude, used to price international oils, advanced 85 cents to $79.55 per barrel in London. It tumbled 70 cents the previous session to $78.22. Currency, the dollar gained to 112 yen and 66 cents from Thursday's 112 yen and 46 cents. The euro edged down to $1.1769 from $1.1778. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.